In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add columns in Google Sheets. Google Sheets is a powerful tool for organizing and analyzing data, and knowing how to manipulate columns effectively can significantly streamline your workflow. Whether you're a seasoned spreadsheet user or a newcomer, adding columns is an indispensable skill you'll want to master. Let's dive into a few different ways you can achieve this. First up, the most straightforward method involves using the menu bar. Begin by selecting the column next to where you want your new column to appear. As an example, if you're looking to insert a new column between columns A and B, select column B. Once selected, look towards the top of your Google Sheets interface and click on the Insert option in the menu bar. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Columns. Now, you'll again have two options. You can insert the column to the left or to the right of the selected column. Choose the direction that best suits your needs, and just like that, you've added a new column. Another method which some find quicker is using the right-click menu. Again, start by selecting the column adjacent to where you want your new column. Once you have your column selected, simply right-click with your mouse to bring up a contextual menu. In this menu, you'll see the option to Insert Column. Similar to our first method, you can decide to insert to the left or the right depending on where you need that extra space. If you prefer keeping your hands on the keyboard, you might find keyboard shortcuts handy. For those who love efficiency, here's how you can add columns swiftly. To insert a column to the left of your selected column using shortcuts, select the desired column and then hold down Ctrl and Alt, followed by pressing the equals sign. It's a quick and effective way to manage your spreadsheet layout on the fly. However, inserting a column to the right might seem a bit more complex with keyboard shortcuts. Here's the sequence. Select your column and then execute the combination Alt-I-C followed by O. It might take a little practice to get this one right, but once you nail it, you'll likely appreciate the time saved. These methods empower you with flexibility, catering to how you prefer to interact with Google Sheets, whether through menus, clicks, or keyboard shortcuts. Experiment with each approach to find out which best fits your workflow. Thanks for joining me today. I'm sure that with these techniques in your toolkit, managing your data in Google Sheets will be more efficient and intuitive. Keep exploring and practicing, and you'll continue to improve your proficiency in no time. Happy spreadsheeting!